Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Clever Creator AI, which is a brand new and innovative app that turns simple words into unlimited mesmerizing, attention grabbing, stunning graphics instantly for your ads, websites, social media and many more without any skills, tools or budget. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $10,000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.